guys, today we are making a Halloween Zen garden out of a few simple craft supplies. First, I found some bags of craft sand at the Dollar Tree, and I took 2 bags and I poured them into a coffin-shaped tray that we found at Joann Fabrics. And I also made a rake and a flattening tool out of a couple of dowels and a craft stick. I followed a WikiHow tutorial, and I will add that to the links below in the description. We also found little bits of decor at our local Target. The ghost and the pumpkins, and also the house and the Halloween tree in the background were all found at Target. I also made a little gravestone out of a craft stick. It would be super easy to do an entire graveyard out of craft sticks, or even a spooky dead tree out of a stick that you found in your yard. I also made another version for people who don't want to spend money or can't find a cute tray. I just took a terracotta pot bottom and I painted it purple with a little bit of plain craft paint, and then I just found a stick in my backyard. So the whole thing cost about $1.50 for the purple paint.